Happy wedding day sa inyong dalawa. When mahalin mo ang iyong asawa na aking anak. At ikaw, simula sa araw na ito, anak na rin kita. Ang masabi ko sa inyong dalawa, magmahalan kayo habang may buhay.
Sang Erwin, maligayang bati sa inyong kasal ngayong araw na ito. Sana magmahalan kayong dalawa habang buhay. At saka yung sinabi ko noong isang araw, Erwin, Ritza, na pag may yung mag-asawa, may magtampuhan din. Yun nga, sinabi ko sa inyo dalawa, na pag may galit na galit yung isa naman, magpakumbaba. Parang walang,
Para mawala ang gulo.
mawala yung mga galit niyo. At saka yung sinabi ko naman sa iyo, yung talagang galit na, iinom ka na lang ng tubig na malamig. Parang mawala yung galit mo. Good luck sa inyong dalawa.
Best of wishes.
Best of wishes,
Tita Richa.
Ano ba yan? Ayusin mo!
By the way, pahabol lang, which is, anong sasabihin mo ang comment mo?
Magaling magluto yan si Tito.
Mhm.
Yes.
Parang yung mentor ni Gordon Ramsay.
At saka, nagpapatawa talaga.
Yeah. Happy marriage. Best of wishes, Tita Richa.
And best of wishes, Tita Erwin.
We would like to say we'll pray for you always, mention in our prayers, and have a great relationship all the way. Tanungin niyo na lang si Tito Erwin kung sino kami. Bye-bye.
Richa, Erwin, happy wedding. Tawa kayo. Ano naman ito sabihin?
Anong message mo?
Ano yung message ko mo? Ano nga ang message ko?
Hello po, best wishes po kay Tita Erwin at Tita Richa.
Hi, Kuya Erwin. Happy wedding po. Congratulations. Sir, happy for you po.
Erwin, congrats na lang. Kasi malayo kami, hindi kami makapunta dyan. Sana yung inyong pagmamahalan nawa hanggang walang pagbabago ang bawat isa sa inyo. Sana magmahalan kayo habang buhay.
Erwin, Richa, congratulations. Ano pa? Sana maligayang pagsasama ninyo. Magsama kayo sa hirap at ginhawa. Pasensya ka na, hindi kami makakarating dyan, malayo.
Best wishes.
Good,
Best wishes.
best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Congrats.
Happy wedding, Tito Erwin. Congratulations.
Erwin, congrats! Finally, kakasal ka na rin. Enjoy your wedding day.
Erwin, congratulations and God bless. Love you. Ingat kayo dyan, Richa.
Erwin, congratulations. And best wishes to Richa. Kaya maligaya kayo sa inyong kasal. Puri, hindi kayo makakagalo. God bless you always. I love you.
Erwin, si Papa, oh. Congratulations na lang daw.
He is standing in the room, so let it scream, let it shout, let them know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving, don't leave a single doubt that today is the day that the Lord has created. Why would I sit around just waiting? Let's have it.
Hi, Kuya Erwin, at congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Ayan, masayang-masaya kami para sa inyo. Finally, ikakasal na si Kuya Erwin, and may papayo ko lang, Kuya, lagi mong susundin si Ate Cha, kasi sabi nga nila, happy life, happy wife. So, the key to happy marriage, sundin mo lagi yung wife mo. Diba? Tama na?
Tama yan. Hello, Kuya Erwin, Ate Cha. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Best wishes. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. See you soon. Sana
See you soon.
makarating kayo dito sa lugar namin. Tsaka makarating din kami sa lugar ninyo. Ingat kayo palagi.
Congratulations.
Enjoy and congratulations.
Wow! Congratulations, Chang! Wishing you all the best in life. I love you!
Hi, Erwin and Rika. Congratulations and best wishes sa nalalapit. Welcome sa buhay ng may asawa. Advice ko lang sa inyo, trust and love. Yun lang naman. Para tumagal. Tapos, syempre, unawaan sa isa't isa. Intindihin kung ano yung mga ugali ng isa't isa. Tanggapin. Tanggapin ng buo. Yun lang. See you soon. God bless.
Hello, Sang. Congratulations, Sang. Balita ko, malapit ka na ikakasal. Sana maka-attend kami, no? Sige, bye-bye, Sang. Congratulations. Love you, Sang. Love you, love you.
Hi, Tito! Tita Richa! Congrats po! Best wishes po! See you soon! I love you!
Hi everyone,
Hi.
especially to the newlywed. By the way, my name is Carlo. I'm the brother of Richa, and this is my wife Annie. Say hi.
Hi.
So, to my dearest sister Richa, so seeing you walk into this new chapter fills my heart with so much joy. You've shown so much strength these past years, and now you deserve all the love the world has to offer.
Here's to your wedding, Richa. May your partner cherish you, your children feel loved, and your home be filled with warmth, trust, and dreams coming true.
So, to the newlywed, Richa and Erwin, best wishes, and may the Lord bless your marriage. Congratulations!
Congratulations, Richa and Erwin.
Bye-bye!
Hi, Kuya Erwin. Hi, Ate Richa. Congratulations po sa inyo at best wishes sa inyo po. Ingat po palagi.
Hi, Kuya Erwin at Richa. Congratulations po sa inyo. Ingat po kayo palagi. Masaya po kami. Nagkakalala po kayo sa Canada.
Congratulations po and best wishes.
Congrats, Tita Sang, and welcome, Tito Erwin.
Ate yan, Kuya. Congratulations po sa inyo. Best wishes po. And sana magmahal lang kayo habang buhay. We love you.
Congrats sa amin, i-ono na good ka. And welcome to the family, Erwin.
Hello, Chang.
Hello, Richa, Erwin. Congratulations and best wishes sa iyong dalawa, sa inyong nalalapit na pag-iisang dibdib. Good luck and welcome sa family, Richa. So, wish ko sa inyong dalawa, of course, siyempre, continue your loving, support each other. And at the same time, syempre, alam mo naman, another life na ipagsapalaran. Syempre, I always naman alam ko magiging happy kayo together. And hoping na magkita tayo, Rika, no? Para at least kahit pa paano we know each other. But of course, nandiyan naman si Erwin. Alam naman ni Erwin kung ano yung family namin. So welcome to the Mesa family. And always be happy together. And forever love each other. And again, congratulations and be safe always. God bless.
Erwin, congrats on your wedding. Be happy and more anak to come. Bye.
Hello Tito, Tita. Congrats po sa inyo dahil malapit na po ang kasal nyo. Love you so much po. Ingat po lagi dyan.
Hi, Tita! Before ko mag-start, Tita, I made a script. So, first of all, congratulations on your special day. I'm so happy for you both and the love you found. I've always cherished the moment we spent together, from all the times you've made me laugh to the little adventure we had. I've also got to say, you're my favorite partner in crime. Kabalo jud ka na, Tita. Mga chika na ko about sa akong love life. Ikaw rin yun ang nakabalo. So, especially when you're always the one who says yes when mom says no. Kabalo jud ka ana, puta nga. Every time, moduol mi kay mama mo, ingon si mama no. Pag moduol mi sa mga, always jud yes. So, I think we both know who's been my real ally all these years. Wishing you both a lifetime filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness you deserve. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Dili lang ako, but especially sa mo ang mag-cousin. We are so happy to have you in our life. And also, we are so happy po naghatagan nimo baby Isa. And I can wait to see all the beautiful memories you create together. Now, congratulations again, Tita and Tito. I hope you create a lot of memories. And I hope to see you soon, Tito. Goodbye. Congratulations again. Love you.
Best of wishes, Tita Richa.
And best of wishes, Tita Erwin.
We would like to say we'll pray for you always, mention in our prayers, and have a great relationship all the way. Tanungin niyo lang si Tito Erwin kung sino kami. Bye-bye!
Hi Tita Sang, Tito Erwin. Wishing you a happy wedding. May your love grow each day till the end of your life. Wishing you endless laughter, joy, and happiness in you. Best wishes. Congratulations.
Hello Tito Sang, hello Tito Erwin. Congratulations in your new chapters in your life. May you continue to love and support each other sa kaning chapter. And together, to conquer the world. Yee! Tito Sang, congratulations. We're very happy for you. Love you.
Greetings from Regina.
Congratulations.
Erwin and Chang. Congratulations on finding your forever love.
Yee.
May your love story be an inspiration. And we are so happy to celebrate with you today.
I wish we are there.
Thank you for letting us share in this joyful day.
And we are so looking forward for your good relationship, and always love each other no matter what, and always choose each other every day.
Wishing you a lifetime joy and companionship.
We are so happy to celebrate with you in a distance. Congratulations, Chang and Erwin.
Hi, Chang! Congratulations to you and Erwin. I wish you all the best in the world and love, love, love for you guys. I'll see you soon. Take care and God bless. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hello, Chang and Erwin. Ako may istorya sa inyo ha. Kung sa kakalipay sa una, Chang, magikasal ko, mausad ko kalipay sa inyo ang duha karon. So, ang akong gusto ko, Chang, malipayon jud ka. Permente. Kaya kabalo jud ko ha. Isa man gud nga makapalipay jud sa tuwa, kanang gugma jud gabi na sa atong kapares. So, kani dili gini bugal-bugal, Chang ha, kay ilado ra ba jud ko nga bugal-bugalon ko nimo. Ha? Pero Chang, na ako'y regalo ninyo, Chang, ini makauli mo diri pohon. Libre mong booking dito sa Amua, Chang. Pero kung kay balo ko kung dapat ang buslot sa kwarto. Love you.
Hi, Chang. Richa and Erwin. Congratulations on your new journey sa Cobol. I'm wishing you a blessed marriage, blessed union, with abundant joy and love that lasts for a lifetime. Congrats again, and I hope makabisit mo si Ligan, kauban sa imong husband.
Hi, Richa and Erwin. I am glad that you found each other, especially in this space of our lives right now. It's very important that we have somebody to fight with, to argue with, and to snuggle with, especially it's very cold there in Canada. But joking aside, I wish you all the best. Have a happy marriage. And when time gets tough, remember this very day, the reason why you guys got married. And I hope to see you soon. And may God bless you all. Bye.
Kauli mo dito sa iligan, pagpakasan mo otro, kay kami tulo mag-flower girls me. Congratulations, Chang and Erwin! We love you!
Hi, Chang and Erwin! Happy kayo po na Chang, you found you're the one na you cherish every moment ninyong duha. Basta iyo pugi yourself na enjoy nimo ang love na imong na-experience karon. Congratulations!
Hello, Richa, Erwin. Sorry, hindi ako makapunta sa kasal nyo. Ang hirap magpaalam. Nagpaalam ako, hindi ako pinayagan. But, honestly, every time na iniisip ko na this is it, ito na yun, Chang, yung hinihintay mo. So, yung time pala na naghihintay tayo, parang tsaka palang pinanganak yung para sa'yo, the right man. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos at nakita mo rin sino yung right man mo. So, isa lang ang wish ko sa inyo. Stay as sweet sa inyong relationship. Mutual understanding is very much important. Never argue with financial. Pag-usapan nyo at lahat it will goes on na lang. And honestly, Richa, I'm very much happy sa'yo. Sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo sa buhay. Na nakita mo na yung makakasama mo sa paisan. Makakasama mo. Without kidding, masayang-masaya ako sa love life mo ngayon. And ito ayoko ng drama. Ito ang wish ko sa inyo. May the days of your marriage be joyous and rich. May both of you find shelter and safety in each other's heart. May you remain young at heart as you grow old together. Sabi nga sa Bibles, Matthew 19 verse 6, what God has joined together.
Hi everyone, it's so incredibly special to be here today celebrating Richa and Erwin. Richa, my dear friend, it feels like just yesterday we were navigating those college halls and now look at you, radiating such pure joy on your wedding day. You always had this incredible warmth, this way of making everyone feel seen and cared for. Honestly, Chang, you've been like a mom to so many of us in our little college crew, always offering advice, a listening ear, and that unwavering support that made even the toughest days feel manageable. You have a gift for nurturing, for making people feel safe and loved, and that's a truly beautiful thing. And Erwin, seeing you with Richa, it's clear you've found your perfect match. The way you look at her, the way you support her dreams, it's inspiring. You bring out an even brighter sparkle in her. That's a wonderful testament to the love you share. Together, you two are a force of kindness and strength. I have no doubt that your marriage will be filled with laughter, understanding, and a whole lot of love, just like the foundation you've already built. Now, may your journey together be as rich and fulfilling as the love you always found in each other. Thank you for letting me share this momentous occasion. Wishing you both a lifetime of happiness, adventure, and endless love. Cheers to Richa and Erwin.
Hello, Richa and Erwin, congratulations and wishing you a lifetime of love, joy, and beautiful moments together. Sending warm wishes all the way from New Zealand. Happy for you both. Bye-bye.
Hi Chang and Erwin, congratulations in your wedding. This is for you guys. Congratulations to both of you. I wish endless love and happiness together. I'm very happy for you both. Bye. Greetings from Las Vegas.